In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Contact Us form Divi. By the end, you'll have a working contact form added to your page using the Divi builder, and you'll understand exactly where to click and why, so everything feels simple and predictable. First, open your page with the Divi builder. If you're not already in the visual editor, enable it so you can see the live layout on your page. Divi organizes content into sections, rows, and modules, and will place the contact form right where you want visitors to reach you. Hover your mouse over the section where you want the form to appear. As you move around, you'll notice Divi's colored outlines and toolbars showing up. That's your cue you're in the right spot. Take a moment to confirm you're targeting the correct area. Placing the form in a clear, dedicated section helps it stand out and improves conversions. Once you've found the right section, click it. A settings window will pop up. This model is where you control what appears in that section and how it behaves. We'll focus on adding the form first, and you can come back later to adjust styling if you like. Inside the settings, make sure you're on the Content tab. This is where Divi manages what's actually displayed. Next, go to Elements. Elements are the building blocks you can add to the section. Choose Add Element to open the library of available items. In the element picker, search for Contact Form. You can scroll to find it, but using the search bar is usually faster. Just start typing contact, and it should appear immediately. When you see the contact form option, click it. Divi will instantly add a contact form to your page in the selected section. You'll see a default set of fields appear, typically including name, email, and message. This is a great starting point. You can drag the form within the section if you want to adjust its placement, and you can open the form's own settings to rename fields, tweak placeholder text, or adjust the design under the Design tab. If you plan to collect only essential details, keep it simple. Fewer fields usually mean more submissions. Take a quick look in the live preview to confirm the form sits where you intended and that it's easy to see. When everything looks good, continue editing your page or publish your changes. A brief test submission later will help confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. The contact form is now added with Divi and ready for customization and use.